The flood is high, but we're moving on. Too much water. Streets are impassable by cars. Households have to work in it. That is the problem living in lowlands, as if the water level and land level are indistinguishable. So many factors. One is high tide. Gravitational pull on each other takes place. So water is pulled on one side of Earth in some degree. And here it is. Added by the frequent rain. And naturally, Hagonoy is flood prone. For the main industry here is fish farming. And rivers are the important means of transportation.
Wow.
In the map, many of the areas are watery. Residents don't mind this anymore.
I'm about to get some mileage, babe.